Welcome to Civet Quiz, Human Anatomy Quiz. Get ready to test your body knowledge like never before. From bones and muscles to organs and body systems, each question will challenge your mind and boost your skills. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more brain-twisting quizzes. Let's get started. What name is more usually given to the epidermis? Blood, face, skin? Skin. What do we call the collection of bones that supports the body? Ribs, leg, skeleton? Skeleton. What part of your body has auricles and ventricles? Heart, neck, teeth? Heart. What is a more common name for the patella? Face, kneecap, bone? Kneecap. Your hair and nails continue to grow after you're dead. True or false? True. False? False. What part of the mouth is affected by periodontitis? Tongue, teeth, gums? Gums. How many milk? First, teeth do we have? 18, 32, 20. 20. What are the bones of the spine called? Vertebrae, bone, heart? Vertebrae. In which body organ would you find a retina? Arteries, eye, false? Eye. The body has two intestines. What are they called? Colon and rectum, liver and pancreas, small and large intestines. Small and large intestines. What is the common name for the lump visible at the front of a man's throat? Muscles, Adam's apple, arteries. Adam's apple. Is it true that men and women have different numbers of ribs? True. False. False. What is the common name for the esophagus? Bone, kidneys, gullet? Gullet. What is the hard substance just under the white enamel of your teeth? Dentine, pelvis, ribs? Dentine. How many beats per minute is the average pulse rate for an adult at rest? 70, 80, 60? 70. We have much more liver than we actually need. True or false? True. False. True. Which human organ, shaped rather like a small sack, can become full of stones? Gallbladder, hip, kidney stone? Gallbladder. What is the name of the vertical bone that runs down the middle of the chest? Pancreas, pelvis, sternum? Sternum. Where would you find the ulna and radius? Leg, spine, forearm? forearm? What is the name of the liquid waste which is collected in the bladder? Blood, urine, hemoglobin? Urine. The skin is covered with millions of tiny holes. What are these called? Hair follicles, spikes, pores. Pores. What effect does the disease hemophilia have on the blood? Prevents clotting, thickens the blood, lowers blood pressure. Prevents clotting. What is the name given to the large chewing teeth at the back of the mouth? Incisors, canines, molars. Molars. What is the pigment that gives some people brown skin? Melanin, keratin, collagen. Melanin. Where in the body would you find saliva? Mouth, ears, eyes? Mouth. What is dandruff? Damaged hair roots, dried sweat, dead skin flakes? Dead skin flakes? What is the disease in which the body's joints wear out? Ribs, pelvis, arthritis? Arthritis. Which are the smallest blood vessels? Arteries, veins, capillaries? Capillaries. What is myopia? Short-sightedness, night blindness, long-sightedness. Short-sightedness. Where would you find the tibia and fibula? Joints, stomach, lower leg. Lower leg. What is the name for the two spongy organs with which we breathe? Diaphragm, bronchi, lungs. Lungs. Which of these is not a body organ? Eulogy, spleen, pancreas. Eulogy. What organs transmit messages from parts of the body to the brain? Veins, glands, nerves. Nerves. By what other name are the front cutting teeth known? Canines, incisors, molars. Incisors. In what part of the body would you find a drum? Ear, ribs, pelvis? Ear. What is the mat of muscle that makes the lungs move? Spine, diaphragm, stomach. Diaphragm. What is inside the eyeball? Aqueous fluid, vitreous humor, retinal gel. Vitreous humor. In which organ of the body would you find the pituitary gland? Lungs, brain, pelvis. Brain. What is the bone to which the legs are attached? Pelvis, spleen, capillaries, pelvis. What is the main purpose of sweating? To cool the body, to moisturize the skin, to remove toxins. To cool the body. In which part of the body would you find biceps and triceps? Lower leg, upper arm, stomach. Upper arm. Which part of the body is attacked by the disease meningitis? Brain and spinal cord, nose, face. Brain and spinal cord. Which childhood disease causes swelling of the jaw's salivary glands? Mumps, bumps, dumps. Mumps. Which of these is not part of the body? Occiput, epidermis, pachyderm. Pachyderm. What is the process by which food is broken down to extract nutrients? Dispassion, degrading, digestion. Digestion. What is the technical name for breathing? Digestion, fusion, respiration. Respiration. Where would you find the gluteus maximus muscles? Arms, buttocks, mouth. Buttocks. Which part of the inner ear controls our sense of balance? Eardrums, semicircular canals, earlobes. Semicircular canals. What condition occurs when stomach acid irritates the stomach lining? Ulcer, acid reflux, indigestion. Ulcer. Which substance found in animal fat causes arteries to narrow? Enzymes, cholesterol, carbohydrates. Cholesterol. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below, and don't forget to challenge your friends. Thanks for playing the Human Anatomy quiz. If you enjoyed testing your knowledge, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun and challenging quizzes.